Hey, what's up? This is Luke Kubo from myiamplace.com, and in this short video, I'll show you how to make a promotional video that converts. I'll be talking about 3 important steps of the promo video creation, as well as I'll show you how you can create a promotional video for a local business in around 3 minutes of work. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because this is gonna be powerful. Let's check it out. Okay, step number 1, goal. You need to decide what is the goal of your video, what is purpose. Is it a sales video or tutorial video or video review, or maybe you want a quick video to build your brand awareness, or a video commercial for a local business, like for example for a dentist or for a car dealer, etc. It is very important to have a clear thought about this and to know what actions you want your viewers to take. Because you want viewers to take certain actions. Like for example, you want your viewers to subscribe to your channel, or to buy a product, or to make a call and schedule a meeting, or sign up for a webinar, etc. I will be talking about conversion and making money on YouTube in my next videos, so please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. When you know what's the goal of your video, you go to the step number 2, which is writing a script that moves the viewer towards this goal. This is very important to have a good script that converts, because you want your videos to convert and bring you profits. I wasn't making any money on YouTube until I started using professional scripts that are proven to work. In general, if you want to have a good script, you need to hire a copywriter or read tons of books, take several courses, which consumes a lot of time and money, and then maybe you'll be able to write a good script. But there are tricks and shortcuts, like for example video script templates or software, allowing you to create professional converting scripts fast without any copywriting knowledge. I'll be talking about it in details in my next videos, but if you want to take advantage of my tricks faster and get some powerful additional tips now, just click the link below this video in the description and download the fast video production cheat sheet I prepared for you. Okay, when we have our script ready, we can go to step number 3, which is video creation. As you may already know, video production is a very broad subject. You have 2 options. You can hire somebody online or an agency to create a video or videos for you, or you can do it on your own. And thanks to the tools I'm gonna show you, it's really easy to do it on your own. I'll be covering several different tools in my next video, so make sure to subscribe. But now I'll show you how you can create a video commercial for a local business in 60 seconds, including professional written script and recorded voiceover. The tool I'll be using here is called Video Robot. This is gonna be really quick video creation. We click Create Video, which you can choose whiteboard animation templates, kinetic animation templates, 3D avatar templates, or black canvas. We can merge them together and combine them. I'll choose the 3D avatar templates for now. Next step. We have our templates for many different businesses. Let's choose this acupuncture. You can preview it. Yeah, that's next step. You can choose this guy here. Let's choose, like for example, whatever this guy, police officer, gonna be acupuncture guy. Here you can choose text to speech. You can have your own text. You can record your own video. You can upload your you can record your own audio. You can upload your file, but we will choose just ready-made voiceover. You can listen to it. Yeah, we just click next step. We can choose our logo. Let's pick just some random logo. Okay, here you can paste the company name, like AcuPro or whatever. And here you're pasting your phone number. Click next step. Now we have our police officer talking about acupuncture. Here we have our elements we can play with by the right. I'll just take care of the logo because it's too big, so I'll just move it here, apply, and let's take a look at our video.
Are you looking for professional acupuncture treatment? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local acupuncture treatment service, and customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Let our acupuncturist help you get rid of pain in your neck, back, or any other region. No matter where you're experiencing pain, our acupuncturist can treat it all. We offer the most modern, pain-free acupuncture kits, and many customers can get relief in just one session. So, contact us now and find out why so many local customers come to us for all of their acupuncture needs.
Yeah, and when if you like it, now we can create movie here, title, AcuPro 1. I'll choose Full HD, or to be okay, Full HD. I will always choose Full HD, MP4, and create movie. And video is rendering right now, and when it's rendered, you can download it, and you can edit also as well. So yeah. The video has also some additional features, like I said, kinetic animations. Let me show you how it looks like. The same video, but without the guy, just with kinetic animations.
Are you looking for professional acupuncture treatment? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local...
Okay, I think you're getting the idea. Let's choose whiteboard animation just to show you.
Professional acupuncture treatment? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local acupuncture treatment service.
Yeah, you're getting the idea. Next. The software has also many different features like animations, logo stingers, the intro. I can choose animations here. Yeah, many different animations. Intro, outro, lower thirds, text effects. Yeah, I'll be talking about this in my future videos, but I just wanted to show you what's possible in a nutshell. You can even create text-to-speech avatars from text or using your recorded audio. You might saw me using this feature in my videos, I like it a lot. Yeah, so it's pretty that easy to create a video these days. You just need to click a couple of times next and create movie. That's it. As you can see, there are several aspects that need to be covered in order to make a successful promotional video, and this training will be too long. But if you want to get quick boost of knowledge, simply download my fast video production cheat sheet for free by clicking the link below this video or somewhere here in the cards. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Of course, remember to subscribe so you don't miss it. This has been Lukubov, take care.